Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Meiji. I'm back for today's video guys. We're going to reaction that BOB, Boys of Bass Brute. Alright? Guys, actually there is a lot of our viewers they like of BOB. You know, I think I don't know if this coming July or June, I think there is a concert in UK. I think because there is a lot of comment of my comment section. They said they will concert in UK. I think so. Alright guys, by the way guys, if you don't know me, my name is Meiji. I'm from Philippines and also